Hello friends, welcome to the Point. In this session, we'll be discussing about the Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Bill 2021. So Uttar Pradesh Assembly, it has recently passed a bill on this conversation amid protest. So the bill seeks to replace the ordinance which was promulgated in November last year that seeks to curb religious conversions which is carried out by the fraudulent or any other undue means. So what are the key provisions of this bill? So the bill says that it makes religious conversion for marriage a non-bailable offence. So the onus will be on the defendant to prove that conversion was not for marriage. So the notice period to the district magistrate for the religious conversion is 2 months. And in case of conversion done by women for the sole purpose of marriage, the marriage would be declared null and void. So these are the provisions of the Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Bill 2021. So the people would be penalized if they have converted or if the conversion of any person is done through a fraudulent means. Violation of the provisions of the law, it would invite a jail term of not less than 1 year, that is extendable to up to 5 years also, with a fine of rupees 15,000. So if a minor woman or a woman from a scheduled caste or scheduled tribe communities was converted through the said unlawful means, then the jail term, it would be a minimum for 3 years and it could be extended till 10 years with a fine of rupees 25,000. So the bill also lays down the strict action including cancellation of registration of social organization conducting mass conversions. So these are all the penalties under this bill. So why this law has become controversial? So the ordinance which was passed in November 2020, it comes down after the Allahabad High Court, which said in a verdict of Salamat Ansari Priyanka Karwar case that the right to choose a partner or live with a person of a choice was part of citizens' fundamental right to life and liberty. So the verdict also said earlier courts ruling that religious conversions for marriage, it was unacceptable and was not good in law. So that is the reason why this law had become controversial. So what does the critic says? So what are the critics says? The law has come under sharp criticism from several legal scholars who had conducted the concept of love jihad did not have any constitutional or legal basis. So they had pointed to Article 21 of the Constitution, which guarantees individuals the right to marry a person of one's choice. And also it had pointed under Article 25, that is the freedom of conscience, the practice and conversion of religion of one's choice, including not following any religion, they are also guaranteed. So these are the two articles which were pointed by the scholars. So the main concern here is that the true danger with this new so-called love jihad law, which lies in its ambiguity. So firstly, the law employs the use of open textured phrases such as undue influence, allurement and coercion. So indeed, and secondly, even the question of whether a religious conversion is truly conducted solely for the purpose of a marriage is inherently vague. And thirdly, it is in the subjective assessment and appreciation of this tenuous phrase that the real peril lies. This is a matter left entirely to the discretion of the judge. So what are the views of Supreme Court in this matter? So the Supreme Court of India, in both Lily Thomas and Sarla Mudgal cases, it has confirmed that religious conversion carried out without a bona fide belief and for the sole purpose of deriving some legal benefit, it do not hold water. So this was the statement, or this was a view of Supreme Court. So observe, for the prelims point of view, there may be a question under Article 21 and Article 25. They can also ask what has the Allahabad High Court had said in Salamat Ansari Priyanka Karwar case. So this is a third question which may be asked in prelims point of view. And for mains, they can ask the right to choose a partner or live with a person of a choice was part of a citizen's fundamental right to life and liberty. So discuss about this or give a brief description about it. They may ask like this. So this is all about the Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Bill 2021. So see you all in the next session. Thank you.